Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this quick tip, we're going to talk about the Smooth tool, this tool, and particularly about this pop-up. So let's start from the beginning, and I'm going to delete this and draw a new one using the pencil tool, which I have just selected by using the shortcut, which is N. Let's double click it. Let's set this to accurate so we get quite an amount of points. And I'm going to draw somewhat jittery, so there are all these points. And now in order to smooth that, we have some options. We can use Object Path Simplify, we can use the Smooth tool, which has been in the app quite a long time already, and we can use Object Path Smooth. And you see the same pop-up, or rather it's a head-up display. This has been added to Illustrator only recently, but so far it hasn't been associated with the Smooth tool. Let's select a different tool and then it's gone. But as soon as I select the Smooth tool here, then you see it appears again. The nice thing is, if you have already your existing workflows, you can still work like that. So you can double click the Smooth tool, set up the options, and then just drag over here, and then a part of that path gets smooth. The settings you have applied, they get applied to the path. And what you see is that this has changed here. What has happened is these points get selected. And that's what in the background the Smooth tool has been doing all the time. When you drag from one point on the path to another position on the path, then these points get smooth with the settings that you selected. And the actual line that you draw with the tool doesn't matter at all. So you just set the start and the end point of the smoothing, and that's that. Now, the additional thing you can do with this head-up display is when this is not smooth enough, then you can drag this slider and get more smoothing on your path. Like that. So I hope that clears this edition of Illustrator 28.6.